Hello guys, Shubham here, back again, but with some different video. So today we are going to see that how you can install Viper4Android sound mod for your Poco F1 running on Android 12. Let me tell you that this mod runs perfectly fine. Also I will show you that how you can fix in case after installing this sound mod doesn't works fine. Basically this method is universal for all Android 12 based running ROMs. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. So at the very first time, there are few files which we actually need to successfully get this mod installed. Moving towards the file manager, here I made one folder called as Viper4Android Installation. Going into that, you can see these are the files which we actually need. Magisk is the main file which is needed to get installed and all the other files consequently. So without any further ado, let's boot our phone to recovery and firstly install the Magisk on our phone by clicking the power and volume up button so that we can successfully boot into recovery. So here our phone is getting booted into recovery. Once it's booted, then you simply have to click on install. Locate the file where you have stored your all files of Viper4Android and click on the Magisk version 25.zip. This is crucial step as without Magisk, you won't be install all the files which are required to successfully install Viper4Android. Let this Magisk get installed successfully and don't interrupt the process at all. Have some patience and it will get installed successfully without any issues. So as you can see that it got installed successfully, now you just have to go back, click on reboot and boot to system. So here our phone gets booted. Fast forward, you can see our phone has booted successfully and over here this is some Android logo with Magisk heading. You just have to click on that and you just have to click on OK so that all the components and a successful APK will get installed. So here you can see that Magisk has installed successfully and the logo has changed to the legit Magisk logo. Clicking on this notification, you will see such panel where on the bottom extreme right side you will see something called as modules. By clicking on that module section, you just have to click on install from the storage and navigate to the folder where you have stored all your Viper4Android FX files. So this is the folder. Navigating to the folder, the very first file is the audio modification library. You just have to select that file and let that file get installed. You don't have to reboot but to go back and install another file. Moving back again, click on the install from storage and now install this file which is v4fxfz.zip. This is Viper4Android zip file which is needed to be installed. Wait until this installation gets over and the APK gets installed in your system successfully. So once the installation is completed, you just simply have to click on reboot. Once you click on reboot, your system will get rebooted once again. And fast forward, you can see that our system is booted and now you can see here the Viper4Android application logo. So click on OK and all the required drivers will get installed. Grant the permission and here your drivers are getting installed and the phone getting restarted once again. So again let's fast forward and move to our system. So our phone is restarted. Now our Viper4Android FX has been installed successfully. From over here, you have to check mark the legacy mode. Legacy mode is something which will keep your Viper4Android running at background every time you play any kind of song via any medium. So let's play our song and see how it's enacting. So now I have played one sample song and moving to the Viper4Android application, you just have to enable this, and now you can see that all the check marks are there. It's working perfectly fine. Master limiter and all the other equalizer are working perfectly fine. Neon enabled, it's yes. Supported media is also yes. That means your Viper has no issues with performing with the music or sound you play every time. So these are some of the customizations in terms of equalizer, and you will find a whole lot of customization too. So most of the time it happens that the Viper for Android doesn't work. Like when you click over here, then you can see that nothing has been enabled and it just says no, and sample format is also not supported. But not to worry, we have fixed for that. For that you just have to navigate to the Magisk once again, and again click on the module section, then click on install from storage. You can see this file, that is Viper4Android Fix. You just simply have to install this file. Make sure that you install this file only when the Viper for Android is not working and everything checkmarks as no and not supported. So that's how you fix a Viper for Android FX in case it's not working for Android 12. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, must hit that like button and also subscribe this channel for more such updates and mods upcoming. Until then, enjoy this Viper for Android mod and see you again in the next time. Peace out.